sea, the hills, the vineyards, the olive trees, we have it all. Welcome to Provence. Léoubes come to the table with olive oil this time. I'm going to introduce you to our two olive oils, Azure and Premium. Our olive groves consist of around 5,000 olive trees and about 20 different varieties, all grown with the same principles as the same high level of care and attention as the vines, on just over 20 hectares right by the sea. The desire with our oils is to allow them to harmonize and marry with a wide array of foods. They add subtle flowers, as we prefer to make natural olive oil that are gentle and not too overpowering, fiery or strong. We look for balance and elegance in our oil. Our Azure oil is a selection of Mediterranean varieties that bring a fruity side with note of green walnuts and toasted hazelnuts. It's both generous and balanced with delicate flavors, so it goes well with hot dishes as well as cold starters. Our premium oil is a blend of many Italian varieties from Léoube, offering great composition and flavor length. It is a much more finely structured oil than lightly increases in strength as you taste it. Perfect for seasoning grilled fish and carpaccio or drills over fresh goat cheese. As with our wines, the objective of our oils is to bring a touch of Provence to your table and enhance your finest culinary moments.